Good morning, dear students in grade 2. Today we've got a new lesson of unit 1. Today we will study lesson 4. In this lesson we will learn many things. First thing, we will learn how to use whose to ask about decisions. We're going to use which to make choice. For example, whose space is this? Whose pen is this? It's Sarah's pen. Which space is yours? Which bag is yours? The blue bag is mine. After the lesson, you have to ask yourself, did I learn how to use whose and which? You will see that. Here we have got a picture about students and their teacher. She will ask them about the bag. Okay, listen carefully to the audio because I'm going to ask after this.
Track 9.
Jill, is this backpack yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Okay, here you are. Nick, is this red one yours?
No, mine is the blue one with the stars.
This one? Okay. Jack, which backpack is yours?
The black one is mine.
So, which one is Lucy's?
So here the teacher used whose and which. At first she said whose backpack's this? Whose backpack's this? And the second time she asked you which backpack is yours. Okay? So here we use whose to ask about decisions and which to make choices. Here we've got some vocabularies we need to learn, like pair of socks. Pair we need two of socks. Pair of socks with only one. Jumper, we wear it in winter. It's a camera, like the one which filmed me. Jacket, skipping rope, and this word belongs to. That means this card belongs to this man. I will repeat them again. Repeat after me. The first one, pair of socks. Jumper, camera, jacket, skipping rope, and this belongs to. Okay? Here we'll study nouns are called compound words or compound nouns. What are compound nouns? Compound nouns are two words or two nouns. We gather them together to make a new word. Okay? Let's see that. Two different words give a new word with a different meaning. Let's check that. Here we have two words. We have the word bed and we have the word room. Bed we use to sleep on it, and room, like many rooms that we have. But if I gather bed and room together, I will have a new word called bedroom. Room which you can sleep in. Here we have two other words. We have lunch, and lunch here it's a meal, and box. Box you can put food in it. But if we gather lunch books, we got a new word. It's lunch books. We use it to put our lunch in it. Here I've got more words. Here we have many compound words. Okay, we have bag. Here bag, this is your bag, and this bag. So this is a bag. Bag we can wear it on our bags. Hair brush here, and this brush. So this is a brush we use it to comb our hair. Bookcase, book, we read. Case, it's like a place you can put books in it. So bookcase, it's like a library, a cupboard. Here we have book, it's a word, and shop. But bookshop, it's a compound word. Another compound word, cupboard. Cupboard, it's one word. Classroom, This part of grammar, we'll study how to use has got or have got. Here the word has got. Apostrophe es got, it's the short form for has got. We use has with singular nouns like he or she or it or any singular noun. For example, she's got a car. It means that she owns a car. And here I used has or apostrophe s because I have here the noun she. What about have got? The short form of have got is have got, like I've got or we've got, they've got. Here we use have with I, or we, or they, or you. For example, I've got a car. I've got a car. What and got. What has she got in her backpack? Here to form a question, we use what and got. What has she got in her bag? She's got a pencil case. Okay, what about have? What have you got in your bag? I have got a lunchbox. Another example. Here in this part, we will study today the possessive pronouns. If you remember, yesterday we studied possessive adjectives. Do you remember? Let's remember them together. It was I, he, his, she, her, it, its, you, your, we, our, and they, their. There was possessive adjectives, and we said after possessive adjectives I have to have a noun. A noun must come after these possessive adjectives. What about today? Today we're going to study something called possessive pronouns. We use the possessive pronouns to say that this thing belongs to for me or for anybody else. But what's the difference? Here we have I. What's the possessive pronoun after I? It's mine. For he, his. If you notice here we have he, his, both equal in the possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. She, hers. It, its, and its, they are the same possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. You, yours. We, ours. They, theirs. Here, if you can see, we have the same possessive adjectives, but we add s, like she, her, she, hers. Possessive pronoun. Its, they are the same. You, yours. Here, possessive pronoun. We, ours. We add s. They, their. They, theirs. We add s. So what's the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives? After possessive pronouns, we don't have to add noun. Okay, for example, you can see I have a red jacket. Possessive adjectives, we can say mine. This red jacket is my jacket. Here, jacket is a noun. I cannot say this red jacket is mine and stop. No, it is incorrect. But what about possessive pronouns? This red jacket is mine. We don't add a noun after possessive pronouns. So this red jacket is mine and we can stop. Another example. This is Sam's book. This is her book. After her, we got a noun. What about possessive pronouns? This book is hers. I don't add a noun after hers. This book is hers. That means this book belongs to her. This is John's skateboard. Here, this is his skateboard. After his, we've got a. Yes, that's right, we got a noun. But here, this possessive pronouns, this skateboard is his. And stop. Okay? Here, this is the last part of our lesson, is the questionnaire. You can choose the correct answer. Read the questions. You can pause the video, read the questions, and try to guess the answers. Okay? Start from now. fine, we cannot add now. Question number 2. Camera is it. It's whose camera. Here I'm asking about who's on this camera. I have a camera, I don't know whose camera is this. So I think I answered. So to ask about the someone who owns this camera, I have to use what? Can I say what camera is it? No. Whose camera is it? Yes, that's right. We use whose to ask about the person who owns this camera. The geese space feather. Here, geese, it's singular or plural noun. If you remember, geese, it's irregular plural noun. So here, we use has or have or is. Yes, we use have with plural. The geese have feather. Number 4, Nick got black jacket shoes. Okay? The black jacket shoes. I think it's shoes here, it's incorrect. Okay? Nick space got black jacket. Can I say Nick have got black jacket or has got a black jacket or is got a black jacket? Yes, it could be Nick has got a black jacket. Number 5 here, you space got red lunch books. Here we have has, have, or his. Of course, here we have the subject you. We use has or have with you. We use have. So here you have got red lunch books. Number 6, space 1 is yours, the yellow one. Here I'm asking you to choose what is the correct question word I use it to make choices. I use who, have, which. Yes, of course, we use which. So which one is yours? The yellow one. The last question, the word space is a compound word. Here we have, we said that the compound word not only one word, there are two words or two nouns. Here we have shop, shop is only one word, one noun. Room, one word. Bedroom, bed and room, they are compound words, not only one. So the correct answer would be bedroom. So that was the end of lesson 2. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.